Alright, so I'm here at UCLA. We're going to quiet competition, PBQ UCLA. That's what it's called. Please be quiet. Shane's here. I drove Shane up. Oh man, Shane, you're really white. Alright, I'm doing multi now. Alright, so we did the first round of multi-blind. I got a 4 out of 7. It would have been a 6 out of 7, but I ran out of time. So I'm okay with that. Still warming up and remembering how to do multi-blind since I haven't done it since Nats. We're doing 4-blind now. My 4x4 is missing an internal piece though, so it might pop during this attempt sometimes. So I'll be recording the whole attempt just in case it explodes. That'll be fun. Corners 3 times. I solved it before doing centers, then I remembered that that messes up centers, so I undid it. Then I solved centers, then I did corners again. Alright, got a barely above 20-minute 4-blind success. It was really dumb. I had to solve the corners 3 times. Now we're doing FMC. 3, please. 3. Doing FMC. I don't have time. Oh, thanks. Alright, got a really dumb 27 solution. I'm happy with it. 3 blind time now. Alright, time for some 3 blind. This is my blindfold right here. See? It covers my eyes completely so I can't see the camera.
I can't open this.
It moves a little bit, which is weird, but that's alright. Don't stop it. Lunchtime, stairs, lunchtime, Shane, lunchtime, walking backwards, lunchtime, walking forwards, lunchtime, Shane, lunchtime, parkour, lunchtime, oh god, lunchtime, food court, lunchtime, stairs. I'm referring to people staring at me while I'm doing this because I'm weird. And the final verdict for lunchtime is Jamba Juice and the sandwich I brought for myself.
Will that be all?
Yep. Andrew. Not lunchtime anymore. Comp time. Alright, got another 27 at FMC. Day's going pretty well. I'm in 3rd place currently for FMC, but it's just the first round, so that doesn't really matter anyway. As long as I make it to the next round, which I will if I don't DNF my next solve. I need a 19 for the world record mean. That's not gonna happen. I mean, that's cut off. when you forget your blindfold. Overall, baby. All right, go. Oh. He did it. Oh. He's got the mouse right there. Okay, I gotta do FMC now. All right, so I got a 28 on my last FMC attempt, which is a 27.33 average and top 30 in the world. So that's pretty good. Okay, we're going to In-N-Out now, but I'm not gonna record it. So goodbye for day one. Bye.